Ardian Rafiq dengan NIM Stars 2500042.
Saya Siti Fauzia dengan NIM 25009.
Ini proyek kedua bahasa Inggris kita. Selamat tinggal.
Hello everyone, welcome back.
Thank you for inviting me, Lumbi.
How are you doing today?
Oh, I'm doing well. Thank you.
Today we will discuss an interesting topic. We will talk about the internet.
Wow, it's the interesting topic.
Right? Everyone is using the internet.
Mostly looking for a solution in the site.
Like what? For example,
I often do searching programming codes. Sometimes I often to search programming codes, but sometimes I also searching to learn about databases.
so the internet really helps your education.
It helps a lot. There is always there.
Do you learn other like do you learn other times too?
Some look up information in an IT project.
That's great. Keep sharing things. That's great. Keep sharpening your skills. That's great. Keep sharpening your skills, right? Of course not. I also need entertainment.
I like to watching real memes. I also play video games in there.
Do you have other internet that you often check online?
I often monitor of the global movement crisis.
Wow, still you have already monitoring the price.
Oh, bener nggak sorry? Beneran ya? Enggak sorry. Exactly. Everything we want to know, just search of it.
Very smooth, the internet really opens our minds. Wow, still you got already monitoring the price.
And learning about the market prices.
Very inspiring the internet really opens our minds.
Exactly. Everything we want to know, just search for it.
Have you ever felt annoyed when using the internet?
Often terus Cok. Especially the connection suddenly drops. If the connection often, especially if the connections drops suddenly drops. Often, especially if the connection suddenly drops.
Hahaha, everyone knows has long internet. In your opinions, what is the downside of the internet?
As your opinion, there is a lot of fake news or hoaxes. quickly. But sometimes people just believe it. Yes, sometimes people just believe it.
Then how do you avoid it?
Then how do you find it? Always double checks the facts. I always double checks the facts.
Looking from Christian sources, right?
Exactly, always share the news. Exactly. Don't rush to share the news before double check it.
Are there any other negative in Are there any other negative impacts?
Sometimes, mana sih bang? Right ya? Or sometimes the internet makes up lost track of time. Because makes us lose. Apa tuh? Makes us keluarga lurahnya. Sometimes the internet makes us lost track in time.
Forgetting to add and write.
We end up mana sih?
Write.
Right, we end up socializing as in person. Right, we end up lose in socializing in person.
Have you ever treated a day without the internet?
Especially if the connection suddenly drops.
Hahaha, everyone knows has long internet. In your opinions, what is the downside of the internet?
There is a lot of fake news or hoax.
I agree, false information spreads very quickly.
Sometimes people just believe it.
Then how do you avoid it?
Don't rush to share the news before double check it.
Are there any other negative in Are there any other negative impacts?
Sometimes the internet makes us lost track in time.
Forgetting to add and write.
The internet makes us lost track in time.
Forgetting to add and write.
I have. It is very peaceful.
Like taking a break from the digital world.
Yes, our brains need a rest too.
If so, what is your message to the audience?
Wisely. Just take the positive vibes.
Don't let the internet contribute right.
We must be in control.
The words are very pleasant chat. Thank you for much.
Thank you very much. In this podcast.
See you in our next video, guys.
Hello everyone, welcome back to our podcast and we'll talk about AI. Today, I'm Abian and I'm here with
Itu kajian. Hi everyone.
Today, we're talking about artificial intelligence or AI, and we will discuss it with Rupi.
So, Chris, AI is a very interesting topic because almost everyone uses it today.
Let's start with a simple questions. How do you think to people who never heard AI?
AI is technology works when the AI is technology that helps computer run, type, and solve problems. It can do things that usually need human intelligence.
That's easy to understand. That's easy to understand.
Do you use AI? Do you use AI every day?
Let's start with a simple questions. How do you think to people who never heard AI?
AI is technology works when the AI is technology that helps computer run, type, and solve problems. It can do things that usually need human intelligence.
How do you use AI every day?
Yes, I use ChatGPT for studying and Google Maps when I travel.
How do you use AI every day?
Yes, I use ChatGPT for studying and Google Maps when I travel.
Here, I think many people use AI without realizing it.
Like this, those apps. Where else can
I think many people use AI without realizing it. Besides those apps, who can read it? Many people use AI without realizing it. Besides those apps, we can find any AI.
was
I agree, especially it helps students. How AI helps students?
it can explain lessons, answer questions, and help you understand the input topics.
Depend on it, right?
Basically, AI should help learn more time values.
What about healthcare?
Doctors use AI to help detect diseases and monitor medical data more efficiently.
What do you think the business of AI?
Fight names, fight images, and privacy issues. People actually travel.
Solution believes anything you see in online.
Exactly. Always check the information first.
Many people worry about AI replacing human jobs. What do you think?
Some jobs might change, but AI can replace human creativity, emotion, and type.
So, human and AI should work together, right?
Yes, that's the best way to use AI.
Before we finish, what advice you should give to students?
Use AI wisely, learn from it, but keep thinking for your life and always verify the information.
But we must responsible about we use it. Anyway, thank you for coming and give a talk about AI today.
You're welcome. I really enjoy our discussions.
And thank you for everyone listening from start to finish. We hope y'all learn new thing about AI. And see you next episode.
Goodbye everyone and have a good day.